going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be replacing this older York. It's probably like 25-30 years old, and we're going to be replacing it with a new Trane. We're going to be replacing the unit, the elbow, upsizing the ductwork, running new thermostat wire, new drain line, new stand. Do a quick little walk around. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on this one. Show you what it looks like. It's been a little while, I think, since I've done a Trane video, so it's good to stay up to date on them. All right, well, let's get started. Okay, so we got the old elbow off. We have, this is what our jack looks like. We took the duct, disconnected it, pushed it down, because we're going to get that out of there and put bigger duct, because our duct calculator came out to require 16 for the new unit we're putting on. And there's the new elbow, and here we have the old unit. So we'll go ahead and upsize this ductwork and seal it all up, put our elbow on, put our stand on, and then we'll wait for the crane. Look at these beautiful mountain ranges. I'll tell you what, man, Phoenix may be a desert and hot, but you know, at the same time, I just got back from Texas, and you know, I'm sure if I move to Texas, and because I like the green, I love the green there, the weather, it rains often, you know, you got mainly flatland for the most part. It's really nice, but I'm sure I would miss, you know, these mountain ranges for sure. Alright, so right now we got the new 16-inch in place, sealed up, and my brother's gonna seal that splitter. What's up, David?
Hi.
Yeah, what are you doing disrespecting the trade with that hat?
It was free.
He said it was free. All right, y'all, so we are all done. I made a mistake earlier and I said this was a Trane, but this is actually an American Standard. But if you know what I know, you know that Trane right there bought American Standard years ago, right? So that's why I made that mistake, because if it weren't for this logo right here, you can't tell these things apart. And the manufacturer has never told me of any significant difference between their American Standard line and their Trane line besides the logo. So that's what happens when you just buy out another company's customers, which is what they did. So new unit, new heat pump. It is the 15 SEER2, okay, 15 SEER2. New elbow, new drain line, new stand. That is something for the, I actually don't know what it is, to be honest with you, but they are just using the ground from our unit, so I reattached it. But it has nothing to do with us. Neither does this ground right here. It's got nothing to do with us, but I am grounding it to our unit because that's how they had it before. So, but that's pretty much it, y'all. New electrical, new thermostat wire all the way to our new controller on the wall, which is an XE824. And that's it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.